Hello everyone, this tutorial will guide you on how to set up VWbus. We'll show you the setup of VWbus in two parts: Modbus holding registers and Modbus input registers. Before we start, please make sure your VWbus is connected to the device's SD image. Please open your own data reading application. To learn more, please refer to the VWbus unboxing and VWbus application. Now, let's move on to the operation. First, Modbus holding registers. The registers are accessible by Modbus RTU standard commands. You can set up the value in this part. The form below is corresponding description of each register. Please refer to the user manual for more information. Friendly reminder, the range of sweep frequency is from 400 to 6000 Hz. The frequency value can be adjusted according to the sensor you choose. Next, Modbus input registers. You can read the value of sensor through VWbus. Now we have completed the setup of VWbus. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.